Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, y'all? Excuse me. Good to be back. Another day. What is today? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday the 4th. I was wondering if this was gonna hold this low right here. Because like if it doesn't hold this low, like it's over with. I don't know. I don't even know if I want to mess with box. Maybe when it's over too. I don't like it under this high right here though at all. I'm being honest. And what is the reason for it running today? There's no news on it, right? Let's see. Moving off high short interest. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? There is the open. I need to turn the bells on back on. I miss having. But anyway, feed is pretty much the main point of interest. Opening very strong up here by pre-market high. Looks like we're about to break that expeditiously. Trying to stay on this board, man. The board's slippery, ain't it? That board's slippery. Feed with a beautiful squeeze out the open. Yo, what up, Bobby? Wipeouts, yeah. Yeah, part of the game, Wave Rider. How's pre-market, Bobby? I didn't see too much popping. CIGL maybe. That's a nice hold of 360. It could be something interesting right here. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I think I had to do some work though. That's what we want right here. Rough waters today. What up, Focus? That's what's up. I'm looking for that pre-market pullback now. That thing looks like it's just gonna go though. Oh, nice. I don't even think I want to watch Fox. It's just doing a lot of volume, though. What's up, OG? I ain't heard that one, Focus. And I'm a movie head. Another no trade day. Okay, we back on that, huh? Hey Bobby, I saw your comment at the end of my stream yesterday about what was different about yesterday. Yesterday, for the first time in like weeks, I got up. I got up before my alarm, my 5 o'clock alarm. I got up at like 4:53. Did my whole morning routine. Actually, I forgot to stretch, but I prayed. I read. I went to the gym and got to my desk an hour early. So it was a really good morning actually yesterday. Probably one of the better mornings I'd had in a while. Oh, paid in full. Yeah, yeah, I definitely seen paid in full. I guess I ain't seen it enough times. Uh, um, to be able to quote it. That wasn't one of my hood classics in rotation. I have Friday. Boys in the Hood. What's up, Dirk? What you got going on this morning, Knives? I know you got a fat swing up 15R right now. Life. Life is a hard watch for me, man. It's I feel bad. It's such an unimaginable situation. There's a play here. Come on back to pre-market then. Oh yeah. Damn. Yeah, that's it just I can't it's hard for me to not keep thinking about how terrible of a situation it is. Dang, bro. I don't even what do I do with that? Nothing. How about that? Not a damn thing. Dang, man. What is this even look like? Got destroyed. Looks like he got destroyed. All right, let's broaden our horizons a bit. We got LIMN day two gross. What is CCC Intelligence Solutions? That looks terrible. Yeah, W trading hugely inside of that range. Hmm. Huge float. Digital turbine post stronger than expected. This is an earnings play, huh? Ugh. It's a nasty daily though. Set EGHC. Yeah, that's a very nice open. It's gone up a lot already though, which is not saying too much in small cap land for sure, but man, how much more are we expecting out of this puppy? Well, pre-market high. I don't know. That's after hours high over there. Dang, it's a huge floater too, huh? Another earnings play. 2 million volume. Hmm. Man, I'm trying, OG. I think something's clicking. Hmm. NASDAQ compliance. Is that a good catalyst? NASDAQ compliance. And I already tried VWAP. It's just going. It's too late. Yeah, typically not a good catalyst. I mean, it sounds like a raggedy stock that was about to get just delisted. Like, all right, you can stay, but we're watching you. That looks awful. What was that? EVTV. Hmm. Envirotech Vehicles announces it has completed on-site engineering validation with AZIO AI and moved its modular AI data infrastructure initiative from planning into coordinated field executions with key vendors identified. That's fluff. Came on down, huh? A little VWAP action. I might be, man. Damn, that's fired. That's a long wick, though. It's probably gonna come back and test one more time. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Opening range 137. Low. Low 10-cent trade, huh? Hmm. Nah. SMCX, that's an ETF. TV daily. And it's a day two too though. It's day one news. The gap is nothing though. 231. Yeah, Voxel is looking pretty fire.
Order filled.
This is not supposed to be a 51. I could have sworn I double clicked 49. Mhm. What's up, Weekly? Ooh, that looks heavy. Man, we can take out 265 again. I feel much more comfortable. Yeah, I was looking at that. I don't have a good way to check that when I'm pulling them off of the YouTube scanner. But yeah, I definitely noticed the gap was not significant. Come on, man. We got to take 60 down. So gonna be. There we go. Yeah. Come on, take out 65. About to dip on Boxel. Ooh. Man, that is pretty fire. Yeah, it'll feel even better if it goes up. Well, the box that I was pulling from um on this Zendu scanner, it just kind of flashes the things that are hot. It's like a hot box or something. I don't know. It just shows what's moving. And so I just go through the tickers and look at the daily and the volume and but I mean I could tell that there was very minimal gappage. It failed the eye test in that regard. Voxel. uh, what's up, Stephen? Stephen Hobbs. Yeah, I did. The hot box of hot tickers. Yo, what up, Stanford? 64. What's it gonna be? $64 is nice. 65 though. Yes. It's making grinding noise. Can you put up a widget for your CPU temp? As long as your CPU temp doesn't start running hot, you should be fine. Boxel. Is that a new high on Boxel? Who said they bought the dip? Was that Focus? Ah, Dirk. Dirk bought the dip. Man, it's time to stretch them legs. Hey, that'll be solid, Bobby. That'll be solid. Ooh, now box will look kind of ready, but this is massive volume. You can't even mess with it. That's why I don't like it. I don't like it under here. What is this level? Yeah, nah, that ain't it. I'm tripping looking away from my baby over here. Shame. Or shame. Ooh, look at box on that. You wild, Bobby. Wow. Hmm. He got to get out the way weekly. We got places to go and people to see, man. Ah, yeah. Look, one just bounced off. Yeah, it's a wrap, son. Uh-oh. Oh my God. No. No. That's a long wick, though. Well, that might be that seller weekly. Hopefully he's finished. Golly. That looks crazy. Yeah. It's nice to see what's happening. There goes Boxel. It actually closed pretty nicely. Over the WAP and everything. This is a really nice pullback. What is this close? 81? I don't think they're done yet. Feels like massive selling going on. I'm just looking for uptrend and continuation. I was when I bought this, I was like, it's under VWAP. Look at Boxel clean over here too. This volume is just kind of wild. This feels high up there. Closer to 180. Yeah, I ain't really feeling it. Pretty solid on the 5. How do you not take that trade? That's the actual question. Well, I missed the entry that I wanted, so I was just trying to figure out if I should try to weasel in somewhere. But it's okay. What's going on, Ace? Is this an uptrend? It is not looking like an uptrend. This was definitely an uptrend. What is the difference here? I did. I just missed it. I missed the entry. I was just I wasn't ready. Wasn't ready. I looked away while it was setting up when I was like, it depends on where it closes, and then I looked away and I looked back and it had closed, and the next candle already made the entry move. Well, over VWAP. I mean, you got to move up over the opening range. And I mean, it did make a new high after that, too. It just got slapped. I mean, we were looking great. New high a day and everything. It just got slapped. Yeah, I seen it.
Order filled.
2R. Wow. You don't think both of these candles are strong? I'm so upset about missing Voxel now. Careless. What's up, HH? Wow. To our fam. That's what we're doing. Slipping stops. Guess I should have tried to get out break even after this candle. I don't know. If I was a manager of stops. Well, Boxel was freaking beautiful. Yeah, I'm done with EVTV. There was plenty of reasons not to trade this actually. I will write about it extensively in my report today. Just because it bounced doesn't make it an uptrend. You talking about on Boxel? I mean, the uptrend is pretty established, but from the open, I mean, that's I don't like huge selling volume, but I've been reevaluating that over the last few days, and yeah. Mm. Oh, I've been doing a daily report card. Well, yesterday was technically my first day, but I've been trying to do it for about a week or so. Finally got it. Got one done. No, I'm not changing any rules, but I'm literally talking about the stocks that I've been trading over the last few days, the great trades that I've had, and definitely got to screenshot that one. The time I try to be hard headed and not sell through high a day. I thought we could at least get to this high. This was a wild candle though. This was like a bad sign. Hey, Weekly, describe what you were seeing on the level two when you just noticed that seller, if you don't mind. It's done. Got Voxel. EGHT just looked like a stock that doesn't do range. Like this is the biggest candle of its life. And we're talking 40 cent. I guess that's good. But I like, is it really gonna break 236 and keep going? I don't know. It looks like it. That's funny. Got mad resistance though. From after hours and from this day. Pretty much same level. It's a lot of volume too. Yeah, super huge float. That's what made me take it off. Ah, there goes that nice wick through that level and back over. Yeah, I thought you would have got down in here somewhere, Trey. What level was it? You said you had 150. Be looking for that 3 candle hold now. Will I try EVTV again? Heck nah. I want to try a boxer. No wind, no waves. Hey, what's up, Samurai? Have I thought about pre-market this week? Nah, I haven't. I just been thinking about sticking to the game plan.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's up, Pond? Man, I got slapped on EVTV. It wasn't. I'm noticing a trend though. Hey man, when it's looking good, it's looking good. I'm just mad I missed the 181 entry, man. Like, bruh, would have ate super good. What you mean patience for it? Patience to wait to take the trade above it? Trade already done by then. I'm trying to sell it pre-market high. Boy, it's they rolling right now. Who's gonna win? Come on, squeeze them out. Yeah. Up, and away. Come on, man. We need 250. 250. Bruh, Billy got his mush. Oh, missed it. You dirty rat. Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy. This is violent. This is awesome. Come on. Yeah, I missed it, bro. It was already gone. Dang. Let's put that stop in there, man. Whoa. Is that a flash order that just popped up? Something happening. Oh, this is the short interest one, huh? Oh, yeah, this could get real exciting. Something's happening. When it can't, it can't, HH. It's impossible. I don't know, man. It looked like Billy about his business today. Yeah, look at them big orders coming in. Billy about his business today, man. Shut up, HH, for real. Nah, my bubble is straight, man. I'm here for whatever. We're all here expecting something irrational to happen. Man, I'm mad I missed that pop though. Hmm. Ah. It's actually a good little top to come back to. Makes sense. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was a reasonable pullback. What now? The volume on this thing though, man. And it's still holding up. Nah, yeah, I seen it, man. I'm disappointed I missed it, but I'll catch it tomorrow though. This could be a epic squeeze to 250s, man. Or epic sail through two and my stop loss. uh stop could go up to here. It could, but we're actually trading the 5 here. HH said he's short on Boxel. This is a wall. Definitely a 160. That was a pretty climactic top. I ain't gonna hold you. It would make sense to stop out under this low. But I was trading the one, not on the 5. Mm-hmm. Got a long way to go to get my attention back. It's another trade right here. Over 216. Come on, 216. Damn. I really meant to exit on the third high because I acknowledge that I missed the first pullback and this is the second pullback. And typically, this is a complete leg up, and then you would expect a leg down afterwards. 15-minute pullback, basically. Hilarious. Mm. Yeah, I really wish I sold it. Started thinking about 250 too much. I tried to sell it. It didn't it was there and gone so fast. The ask was way below my order. Emotionally hijacked, am I? Yeah, after the loss on ETTV, I almost was just like, let's call it, bro. And then I missed this. It's like, yeah, let's just call it. Let's just call it. But I mean, we have an uptrend. It's just seems to have topped out here, and we still got a lot of shares. But a $2 hold right here could be really, really interesting. Oh, the heart monitor. I forgot about that. My bad. Nah. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, it's hard to realign my expectations when I'm in a less than ideal situation. Like I can still capitalize greatly off this trade, but my expectations are still, I guess even if I got in here, I still would be looking for that, but I would have so many R's at this point that um yeah. But hey man, we could get a double top or something. It could happen. Um Barry Bonds mentality. I know, man. Oh, a heart rate. That's what I was doing. 3R minimum. I need money. Yo, this is looking a bit takeable here, I must say. 15's looking quite saucy. But I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. Yo, Boxel looking kind of cool, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. What up, Pond? Money. Yeah, Focus was talking about that. I ain't messing with it. On Boxel? Mm, yeah, I can see that. We're here now, though, you know? It's all a trap. You ain't lying, Ben. It's all a trap, bro. It's all an illusion of control. Choice. Come on, baby. We ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. Billy want one more go. Billy need one more try. Over 225. Told you that joint was looking like an ad. Boxel looks great. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I would usually put money that the next high will be a lower high after a candle like that, Ben. I still think box will look kind of fire. Webull? Why do you think Webull is easier? This level right here is pretty nice. 207 level. Man, 218 is tough. Yeah, I see it, Dirk. 218 is tough. Nah, that's it, Bond. I got my stop got slipped on EVTV, lost 2R on that one. And if Boxel don't work, it's a wrap. Look at that. Can you take that high out? Can you do that? Got past 118, 218 for a moment. 19. Ooh, look at 220. Good Lord. That was a lot. I'm stopping out under 2. So, as long as I don't get slipped. Teeny tiny profit on this trade. Yeah, it's definitely giving lower high energy. That's some nice volume over pre-market high there. Just keep dipping back below. Whoa. Come on, Billy. We gotta unite. Join forces. Dang, bro, Billy be looking so close to victory. We want betting more. Nah, man, I'm still trying to figure out how to put one foot in front of the other, man. It's been a long 5-minute candle, bruh. The longest. Playing with my emotions, man. That 15 looking good though. Ooh, get back over 220. It's over. It's over for Billy. HH, you are Billy. Will the real Billy please stand up? I'm gonna be mad if I stop out. It could just come down and check VWAP one time. Not here for 15-minute pullbacks though. Just didn't work. He didn't sell. He didn't sell enough. Am I buying here? My man. Yeah, that's true. That's very true, Knives. But every trade is like either one step closer or one step away. Interesting, Dirk. Well, nah, it's not about the process. It's not. It's about the process though. Like I'm supposed to get an execution at that on that candle, and I didn't. Bah humbug, man. Appreciate it, Pond. Yeah, guys, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. We'd love to have you if you're nice. Yup. I was really hoping for a more significant lower high to maybe feel inspired to sell to. I probably wouldn't have sold till there though, if I'm being honest. Stop loss holding on.
Order filled.
Toothpick. I literally told myself when I took this, I was like, all right, this is your second pullback. So you really need to be like getting out, like selling. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Just late to the party. Yeah, I really thought that we could get a better lower high, but yeah. I should have walked my stop up too after this wick. Yeah. This would be a good write up though, just about managing like what do you do when you miss your take profit and the trend is obviously over? I don't have any protocol for that, you know. Um, so I just fell into my old my old method of dealing with things, which is hope. Well, we missed the sale. Let's just hope. But I think I can come up with a better plan than that. Um, I probably could have just kept my original stop too, but um, that's a different idea, I would say. Um, that's gonna really bother me because the 15 looks so good. Man, I appreciate it. I fit the grid. I do feel good about the entry. I just mismanaged expectations. Bro, I hit the button though. I hit the button to sell. I don't know. I think it was it a half or a quarter? I don't know. It was something though. I hope it was a half. Yeah. So one thing I have noticed though over my last few really nice trades, all the strong open with the pullback to support. I'm pretty sure they all had the same thing in common. Let's see. was GXAI. What we got here? It's the Vero. RDW. SEGG. Sheesh, it's been a while. um, that's not what I was getting at, but that's something to check out. Man, that 15 looked fire. I should have kept my stop where it was, bro. That was a fire trade too. Bruh. There is no A plus setup without catalyst, huh? A minus without catalyst. Hmm. Hmm. Talk to us, Trey. Man, Almost had it. Yo, I'm a little upset about EVTV. I could have definitely done without that. I think yesterday I would have passed up on EVTV. I think so. I think so. It's a catalyst for the short. uh, um, because of hindsight, I think I want to put I want to put VWAP on as a requirement. Let's see. I think I've been screenshotting my losers too. Unofficial catalyst. How much trading did I really miss on that? Come on, dashboard. All right. Let me say last week. If Boxer was a loser, would you have said I knew I shouldn't have traded it under 253? Hmm. That's a good question, Trey. I definitely believe that it makes it a lower grade than if it had gapped over this high and opened above this high, for sure. Like if it gapped up over this high, and that would be an A plus daily setup, this would be like, I mean, you got the 10% gap, which is good, but I mean, daily's really in a downtrend, and you gapped right into this high volume range. So the daily is really trash, to be honest. But, you know, you got the range of this candle, which is 176 to 253, and here's 176, which that's what the trade was off, literally off of the low of that candle. And you know, it provided a really good trade. I just missed it. But I think the most important thing is to just be conscious of the level. But I also I want to be above these type of high volume days. So when I'm looking for a A plus daily, this would not be it. I thought it was a vision issue. You're hilarious, bro. EMA reset on Boxel. Boxel a FOMO trade. Boxel was recognition that this stock is in play. It is doing massive volume, and it is setting up. That's what that was. When I realized I missed the first entry on the first pullback, I drew the line over this high, and I was like, all right, if we get another pullback, then I'll take that trade, which would be the second. Like on my notes, it says has to be, oh, that's a picture. That's hilarious. Has to be first or second higher low in the trend. So I was cool with taking this second one, but I also needed to also realize that I'm not going to get like a full leg out of this trade. It's probably going to be one and done. And I just wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I should have probably sold half here and been ready to let off the rest on the next candle, especially when the first candle of the move up moved up so much. You know that second candle is probably going to put the high end of the move. Pattern over everything. It's just like if I look at this setup, like if we don't look at the volume, if we don't look at the volume, you get a nice little open, and then you get a pretty decent pullback, breaks new lows, makes new lows, new low of day, and then boom, super strong candle, breaks that high, this little range, and this range, and this range, straight up to $2, right? So I mean, you should expect a massive amount of volume at $2 anyway. And then you get this nice pullback to a VWAP, EMA, opening range, and the daily level, and you get a wick and close above all of those levels. That's fire. It's fire. I was really sad that I missed it, and I didn't want to just FOMO in. But I mean, honestly, I was tripping over about 3 cents, which is actually a lot in this game. Which is actually a lot. But I should have just bought it. I should have just bought it. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So yeah, I mean, the pattern gotta override. I should FOMO in. Hilarious. Yeah, I mean, it's just like, bro, the Wick hammer time at this hammer time right here, like, is better than all of that, you know. I still think it's coming back up, HH. You about to get toasted. You about to get smashed. Yeah. So, I think had I gotten that entry, I probably would have. I mean, of course, the trade would have been freaking amazing. Yeah, I would have ate that up. And God knows best. But for the 2000 time, you did wrong. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I know that's where I messed up here. And I tried to take profit, it didn't work, and then I just did. I stood there. Like it's like I threw my take profit at the wall. It bounced off and hit the ground, and then I didn't do anything else. I mean, thankfully I moved my stop up, but freight train income. It's telling you, man, we're going to the upside, HH. Upside. Neutral input. uh, I'm really excited about my report card, actually. I really liked typing my breakdown of the chart because it feels like too nerdy. Like if I was to do it in my review video, to be like, all right, so we had the break over the open. I guess I kind of did it a little bit, but like I went like nitty gritty, like how I felt about like I want to like mm, if you know how much EVTV was up before taking the trade, you could have disqualified it. Um, I had anxiety about EVTV because it was below VWAP. And yesterday, I swear I looked at a trade just like this and I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. It might even been GXAI. I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait for like a clean high. It was. Well, this one had two candles. Yeah, but I wanted this trade on GXAI, but I didn't take it because it was under VWAP. And I think because it worked yesterday. Yeah, I passed this up to take this one. And my bad. Let me see what you got, Knives. Yeah, bro. That's the beginning. It's a hot you got a I mean, you don't know yet for sure, but those are the ingredients to an uptrend. You broke highs and then you got a potential higher low wick right there. So the uptrend's not confirmed until you get another high above that high. But that is like the first step. That's what I want to see, bro. That's exactly what I want to see. Nah, bro. How is this a POS setup? You wildin', bro. Because it lost. I know it seems that way, but all those trades that I pulled up, GXAI, right? Traded over VWAP, retest, go. SEGG, same thing. Over VWAP. Actually, I took this up here. This is kind of like similar to this situation where I didn't want to take that trade, even though this is a really nice higher low at pre-market. What else do we have? RDW over VWAP, buy it, boom. It's not that they don't work below VWAP. It's just that it's less confirmation. But do you guys see what's happening here, though? Do y'all see what's happening? Look at these uptrends that we've been trading. Like, we've been trading uptrends, y'all. Knives, I think you're in a bunch about nothing right now. F the rules? Like... Yeah, I mean... This to me is way more questionable than Boxel. Way more questionable. Dang, I must be messing up because Trey and Knives is both on the same team on this one. That's a good one. Ben. Every trade looks good when it's a winner. No, it doesn't. Okay, that's entry on Boxel. Oh, we said before entry. One of these are not like the other. Yeah, no doubt, Three Pony. One of these are not like the other. Yeah, I hear that. I definitely did not take the trade because of Dirk. Um, one thing is that we got like clear clear separation of like the range of the candles. Like these three are all pretty much overlapping. Here we get like an actual move away from price and then a return, you know. Both of these two, let me put this one over here and these two over here together. How about that? Both these two are over VWAP. Um, they're all over open price. They're all over the EMA. Um, yeah, they both got a clean move away from the opening range though. That's definitely something I noticed, and they both over VWAP. Got the higher high, higher low. Yeah, I mean, and these two candles, this is like a bearish engulfing candle right here. But anyway. Yeah, to me, like getting to me on like this GXAI trade, getting in here is jumping the trying to get in before the trend starts. Like this is the sniper cold-blooded entry right here. High risk. I mean, it's still tight risk, but it's the most risky in the sense that it hasn't really proven itself yet. At least on the 5. But I mean, a very tempting entry though. But this entry is after we've actually moved up, had consecutive green candles, and pulled back. Like we even actually broke some highs. Like it's pretty nice. Well, I mean high risk in the sense that it hasn't, like for me, if I'm trying to trade uptrends, it hasn't confirmed an uptrend yet. It's just got a strong open and then a complete like almost reversing price. So I mean it's not like ideal for what I'm looking for to jump in. Um yeah, I want to be patient for this one. There's a lot of meat on that bone too though. Yeah. All right, but let me get out of here, man, so I can have time to do my report card and get that review video up. Not a terrible day. I mean, it would have been a pretty chill day without the slippage I took on EVTV. Boxel could have made it definitely a break even day had this take profit worked out, or I had a better exit plan than the one I had. Uh, yeah, I think Hopium definitely took over on the back end. I gotta write about that, the back end management of this trade. Um, but the most important thing for me right now is the goal, which is written at the top of my report card, which is to trade uptrends. And even though I could have done better, I think I could have passed up on EVTV. And the fact that it made a new high after my entry makes me feel, like I wasn't at least digging in the complete garbage can. But I'd like to pass up on this trade in the future and wait for a. I don't know. I mean, I guess I hear you guys, but I've just been looking at them, and it's like a golden rule. I don't know. We're still collecting data anyway. Uh, but we're starting to collect more and more uptrend data. So that's cool. Yeah, this daily was trash too. Gap was trash. Yeah. Anyway, all right, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Y'all have a great day, man. Peace.